In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok on your Sony Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Sony remote. Go to Settings Network and confirm your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store. From the home screen, go to Apps, Google Play Store. Use the search bar and type TikTok. Step 3. Download TikTok app. Select the TikTok app from the search results. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Step 4. Open TikTok and log in. Once installed, open the app. Use the QR code on your TV screen to log in with your phone, or enter your account details using the remote. Alternative method, use screen mirroring. If the TikTok app is not available on your Sony TV model, on your phone, open TikTok. Swipe down and select Screencast/Smart View/Miracast, depends on your phone. Select your Sony TV from the list to mirror your screen. That's it. You're now watching TikToks on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Smart TV tutorials.